In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll know how to add a password to your Outlook personal data file, also known as a .pst file. So your locally stored emails, contacts, and calendar items have an extra layer of privacy. This protects the data file itself, not your email account sign-in, and it's especially useful if you archive mail locally or share your computer. Start by opening Outlook and heading to the File tab in the top left corner. This is where Outlook's Backstage view lives, and it's where you'll find the settings that control your accounts and data files. Choose Account Settings, and then select Account Settings again from the drop-down. Don't worry if that feels repetitive. This takes you to the dialog where you can manage your email accounts and the files that store your data. In the window that appears, switch to the Data Files tab. Here you'll see a list of all the data files Outlook is using. If you use POP or IMAP, or if you archive mail, you'll likely see a personal data file with a .pst extension. Select the PST file you want to protect. If you see more than one, choose the one that holds the data you care about most. Often labeled as personal folders or with your chosen archive name. With the file highlighted, click Settings. This opens the properties for that specific data file. Now click Change Password. If here is no password set yet, the old password box can stay blank. In the New Password and Verify Password boxes, type your new password. Outlook supports up to 15 characters here, so make it memorable but strong. Consider mixing letters, numbers, and symbols within that limit. Be sure to type the same password in both boxes to avoid a mismatch. When you are ready, click OK to save it. Close any remaining dialog boxes. From now on, when Outlook or any profile tries to open that data file, it will prompt for the password you just set. This helps keep your archived mail away from casual access on a shared or portable device. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If your mailbox is hosted on Microsoft 365 or Exchange and you don't use a .pst file, you might not see this option, since those accounts store data on the server instead of in a local .pst. Also, keep your password somewhere secure. If you forget it, it can't be recovered by Microsoft. And remember, this is a privacy measure for the data file. It doesn't replace your Windows sign-in or your email account credentials. That's it. Thanks for watching.